Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use chromatic dominant passing chords going to the 5th degree of the scale. If you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share for more information. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So I'm going to teach you two chromatic dominant passing chords. So the first one sounds like this. Right? So since we're in key of C major, right? So in C major we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the secret is we're gonna go to the flat 2. So we're going to go to the flat 2 and create a dominant, and then we're going to be moving in a chromatic way, right? So in C major, so we have the 1, 2, so C sharp is going to be our flat 2 because we are flatting the 2, right? So we're going to create a dominant from the flat 2, right? And we move in chromatic. Right, so like just like that, and to the 5th degree, which is our destination chord. All right, so left hand side, we're gonna play the notes that are already there, so which is 3 and 7, right? So we have the 3, right? 3 is F, so we're gonna play it here, right? And we have a flat 7, which is B, right? So it's going to look like this, right? And then we can move in a chromatic way. So like, right? Just like that, into the 5 chord. So okay, let's try application. Let's say we're doing a simple song like, oh, to Jesus. So if you go into the 5, you can do like, surrender. You see what I did there? I did chromatic dominant passing chord to the 5. I surrender. So the last chromatic dominant passing chord, we're gonna be creating a dominant from 3rd degree. So since in C major we have 1, 2, 3, right? So which is E. So we're gonna create a dominant chord from E. You see? And then we're gonna play 3 and flat 7 on our left hand side, right? So that will look like this. And then we're gonna be moving chromatic, but going down, right? So we have right? Just like that. So from here, chromatic to the destination chord. You see? So then we have and then to the 5. You see? So let's try application the same song. Oh, to Jesus. And then you're gonna have I surrender. You see how it works? So you can actually try to apply in different songs, right? I'm just showing you application, right? So Oh, to Jesus I surrender. Oh, to Jesus. So like something like that, right? Oh, to Jesus. As long as you resolve to the 5 chord, it's going to work. Oh, to Jesus. You see, passing chord to the 5. Surrender. Thank you guys for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a comment. So the most important thing, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos like this. Until the next time, I'll see you guys.